When I was younger, my dad gave me an obscure ride cymbal that I really connected with. After learning its worth, I've always wanted to get a second so that he could share in that excitement that I find in playing it. So today, I have a special treat. This is the Zildjian Earth Ride. I had a close friend connect me with this cymbal, and for that I am incredibly grateful. To start, we'll just wipe off some of the previous years of use using a degreaser, which is a Dawn and vinegar solution. The Earth Ride stands out in the world of cymbals. It's known for its unique sound and robust build. Introduced during the 1970s and 80s, the Earth Ride was Zildjian's answer to the evolving demands of drummers who needed a cymbal with a clear, pronounced ping and minimal wash. This is the Brilliant Finish Earth Ride. And to help restore its shine, I'll just be using a cymbal polish. This is something you can find online or at your local music shop, but it's advertised as such. I think the cymbal is particularly favorable to drummers who value both aesthetics and those clean, distinctive characteristics. This is a part of cymbal history, and without a doubt, it exemplifies Zildjian's commitment to innovation and quality. I did buff this cymbal very lightly. I used the same polish, but unfortunately I lost the footage. The grime had mostly come off using my hand, but to give it that shine, I wanted to make sure that I gave one good go over with it. Unfortunately, there is a scratch on this cymbal that I was hoping to get out. It does seem to be only superficial though. Some of the logo also came off in the process of polishing, but I did feel it was necessary for this one go over.